Hey everybody, how's it going? So I went to Walmart, picked up a couple cooking items that my wife requested, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so we're just going to do a quick video. I went to Walmart, we got some eggs and a couple items. My wife told me she wanted these items, so we picked the items up. We grabbed this I'd never seen before. I thought it was interesting. This is limited edition Kit Kat apple pie. Grabbed two of these. They were 88 cents. And we have some of the other Pioneer woman stuff. These are Frontier Collection is a strainer. We have the large, like, huge, massive strainers that are this kind of bluish, greenish color. We've had them for years, never had any issues with them. They're metal, they hold up well. Use them for, like, spaghetti and noodles, stuff like that. Mostly noodles. But I was more partial to the red handle. I'm not sure if my wife was more partial to the blue. I don't know, but we picked up the same strainer, one in each color, one in red, one in blue. We also saw that they had a nice knife set with a butcher block, or a knife block, with the red handles, which wasn't too bad. It was, I believe it came up as $49. And then we found a couple other items that were pretty nice. But also picked up this style skimmer, Frontier Collection. This one's a red handle. She wants to use it for like donuts and you know, stuff like that. So, you know, it's a few bucks. I think it's like 20 something dollars. But just a quick video of the things we picked up. Two strainers, two different handle colors, and a skimmer. You know, nothing special. I get tools and barbecue stuff, and my wife likes cooking utensils. But, you know, just a quick video. I thought the Kit Kats were interesting. You know, if anybody's ever had one of these, let me know. What'd you think of it? Is it good? Is it garbage? But appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I don't know if my wife's gonna do one of these, do a video on these on her channel, but I will link her channel up here in a card. And if she does a video, I'll link the video up here as well, if you guys want to go check that out. But as always, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description, I have an Ulsa Tools link. Get you 10% off your next order on Ulsa Tools. If you guys want to use that link, go for it. Save you some money. It also kicks me back an availability to get 10% off on my next order from Ulsa Tools. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Appreciate all the subscribers that have been sticking around since the beginning. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!